All right, so predicting the electron flow. How we do that? Well, the activity series. Okay, so there are two options here that could happen. Either copper 2 can oxidize zinc, right? Or zinc 2 plus can oxidize copper. There are only two options. Well, I'm sure you know now how to read the activity series. The only option that happened is the copper 2 will be a reduction reaction. We do reduction reaction, and zinc will do oxidation reaction because according to activity series. Okay, so in this case, zinc will lose its electron. So zinc will lose the electron. So electron gonna go off the zinc, right, and go into copper. Copper gains electron. So that copper will gain electron, right? So it goes this way to from left to right in this case. Okay, and if you know that the electron flow is from left to right, zinc to copper electrode, can you write the half reaction of the this redox reaction? Okay, so what happening on the right side? Well, it's a reduction reaction. So electrons gonna go down to the electrode, and the copper 2 that's floating around into the solution will take those two electrons and become copper, start depositing on the copper electrode. Okay, we call this side a cathode. On the left side, well, zinc metal loses electron, okay, and becomes zinc ion. So there's oxidation reaction, so increase in oxidation number. That's an anode, and what happened is zinc becomes zinc 2 plus, get into the solution, and two electrons coming out. Okay, so ox and air together, and Ca and reduction reaction. All right, let's see. Do this on your own. Can you predict that though? Okay, a chemist assemble this, okay, with the solvent and blah 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 blah. Using the activity series, identify electrodes where oxidation takes place, the anode, or the electrode where reduction takes place, or the cathode. Write half reaction to describe the change that takes place at each electrode. Okay, activity series, you got two options. We have iron and zinc. Okay, so either iron solution iron take electron away from zinc, or the other way around. Zinc take away iron, which no. Zinc go to iron, no, that doesn't work. So iron take electron from zinc. All right. So start with zinc, loses electron. So zinc loses electrons. Electron will go from left to right, zinc to iron. Okay. All right. That's all you need to know. The rest you just look what's going on here. Or start with the reaction. You can do with the oxidation first, but it's up to you. Reduction reaction. So electrons gonna flow from left to right, zinc to iron, and electrons gonna gather around here. And iron, iron 2, which is floating around in the solution, will take away that iron. Okay, also take away that electrons and become iron metal. So start depositing on the iron electrode. And the place where reduction reaction occurs is cathode. We call this cathode. On the other side, of course, it's an anode, an oxidation reaction occur. So an oxidation reaction, so zinc loses electron, right? So zinc metal loses electron and becomes zinc 2 plus, and electrons coming out. That's it. Okay. All right. One more time. Do this on your own and then check with me on the next video. How's that?